So hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome in today's video tutorial. So I'm going to guide you on how you can download the mobile application which you can use to access your course content on Zoho. Right, so first of all you have to log in your account. For me, I've already logged in. Then you go down below the screen. As you can see, you won't find the footer, but you have to go over there. Let's say you're using Chrome, you have to go over here, then you click where it says desktop site. After clicking that, it will show you the same view which you will get when you are using a computer, or let's say a desktop computer. So let me just rotate my screen. Okay, so now you have to go below the screen. Then you will find where it says get the mobile application. You have to click that one. So after clicking that, let me just go back to the normal screen. So here you have to download over either a that's for the Apple version, those who are using iPhones, or for us who are using Android. You have to click this part. You can also click this one if you don't want to log in to your Gmail and everything, but for those who want to log into your Gmail and you want to have the latest update, you have to click where it says get it on Google Play. So after you have to download this one on Google Play Store, then you have to open it. It's 18 megabytes. Now that we have loaded, we open the application, it's going to, okay, let's just wait for it. Okay, let's just wait for it to load. So now it will require you to insert your site. So when they are asking about the site, say, for us we're using what we call the myvista. So you have to go back. Either you can scan when you are using a desktop, but now want to do the manual part. So you go back to your Chrome or your browser, then you go back to your website, to the school website. Okay, we have to scroll up. Okay, I have to type in myvista because I don't know it by head. So there's a part. Okay, we have to copy that link, right? The website link. Okay, from HTTPS up to the end of this. Okay, let's just go and place it where it says. Okay, we need to copy this part only. You can either copy the whole part, but I'll prefer this one. Then we'll go back to the application. Then we have to paste the link, that's the www.myvista.zoho.ac.zw. We have got to connect to the site. So after this, we have to log in our credentials which we use on Zoho. Okay. Okay, let me just check for reference so that I can put in the correct student ID. So I have to go where it says home page. Okay, that's where I'll find my student registration number. Okay, that's the address. Then I copy it. So it's best to memorize this. Then I come here and then I paste it. Then I have to insert my password. Let me just pause. So after inserting my password or your password, you have to log in. Let's just wait and see. If you've entered the correct password, you have to just click save. If you don't want to save, maybe it's not your mobile phone, you might say not now. So let's just wait for it to connect to our website. So it seems like it have logged in. Let's just see. So now you can click save. So okay, so first of all, one thing most of you are concerned with is to access courses. You have to click under my courses, then it will list all of the courses which you are doing.